office in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, until 5 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dickaville, or 9 miles northeast of Dubuque, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Oh my God.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mineral Point, Darlington, Shellsburg, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Blanchardville, Barneville, Weva, New Diggings, Waldwick, Elk Grove, Fayette, Lamont, Rui, Hallandale, Gratiot, Platte Mounds, Calamine, and Lead Mine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.